So hey guys, I'm Kaustuv and you're watching the Code Assistant. Welcome back to another episode of A to Z Linux command. In this video, we are gonna see how we can create directory or create a folder in your Linux operating system. Also how to delete them. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, so open your terminal again. Okay, so to create a new folder, we can use command mkdir, which is a short form or acronym for make directory, followed by the folder name which you want to create. For example, I want to create a folder named as test. Okay, so mkdir test, hit enter. Just type ls to check whether our folder is created or not. We can see our test folder is successfully created here. So if I want to create another folder inside the test folder, what I can do, I can just give the path. So mkdir test slash and new folder, let's create test1 folder in the test folder, hit enter. Okay, so now to cross check, just type ls test. So it will give all the contents of test folder, means all the files and folders present in the test folder. Just hit enter. You can see test1 folder is successfully created inside our test folder. Okay, so just clear the output once, change directory to our test folder, type ls and hit enter. Okay, so what if I want to delete the test folder? So for that purpose you can use rmdir command and followed by the folder which you want to delete, or we can say path. You can also give the path too. Okay, plus you can also delete multiple folders at the same time too. Just rmdir test1, hit enter. Now you can see there is no folder named as test1 in a particular directory or current directory, we can say. Okay, but there is one twist. For example, I create test1 folder again, test1 again, and inside test folder I created two files named as 1.txt, 2.txt. okay, inside our test folder. Okay, so before creating, just change it to test1. Okay, so now just use touch command to create multiple files. Touch, just create 1 2 3 4 5 files. Okay, so now we can see our 5 files are created successfully without any extensions. Okay, so just cd dot dot to back into our original directory, which is test directory. Okay, you can use cd dot dot. Just clear the output once, type ls command. Okay, so for example, if I want to delete a test folder, test1 folder having files, then in that case we can't use rmdir command. So if you see fail to remove, directory is not empty. Okay, so in that case you have to use rm-r command. -r denotes for recursion, means it will recursively delete all the files and folders present in your folder name which you provided to rm-r command. Okay, just hit enter. You can see there is no test1 folder remaining here. Okay, so this is it for today guys. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon for our latest video notifications.